The goal, Matt, is that, we've got Wyred Insights is looked at as such an amazing company, and when it has this mentoring program, and it works so great because it's part of this amazing company, and kids that come out of that program are highly sought after. Those are the people that other people want to hire.
Right.
These are kids that are going to start their own companies or go work for other people, but they're going to spread this core value system that we have to try and realize our vision, which is companies just not acting like shit.
Go back.
Michael, I was looking for Tad. Is he in today?
He's actually speaking with a member right now. Put you through to his voicemail.
You know what? Have him give me a call back. Just tell him Nikki from Wyred Insights called.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You got it.
Bye.
How I see it. And so that's where I would try to get to somebody if I'm talking to them is, okay, what's your personal vision? Where do you want to be? Okay, great. How's that business facilitated? And what do you do for customers? Because if you've got somebody that after all that, you really can't get to why they are in this business or what they do for their clients, if they don't care about their clients one bit, that's a short game right there, man. They're not going to be around too long. So
very cool.
That was my week.
Yeah.
What'd you do?
That's
what I thought.
It's on film. You can watch
Yeah,
it.
I did miss it.